County in northeastern Alabama, Cherokee County in northeastern Alabama, until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:07 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Fort Payne to Steele, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, locations of active...
Oh yeah, I'm not getting anywhere with that.
Jacksonville, Rainbow City, Piedmont, Oak Bluff, Center, Cedar Bluff, Little River Canyon National Preserve, Forney, Central Municipal Airport, Glencoe, Leesburg, Sand Rock, Galesville, Cherokee Rock Village, Pleasant Gap, Cornwall Furnace Park, Blanche, Eastern Weiss Lake, and Slackland. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Calhoun, Cherokee, and Etowah. Strong thunderstorms will impact southeastern Walker, Central Tuscaloosa, and Jefferson Counties.
You have 2 unread messages.